3. So you might be thinking, well, why are you at work? Chivying away at lawnmowers and things. Well, the reason is, after 22 years and 7 months.
20 years.
Sorry, 20 years and 7 months. Sorry, I got that wrong, didn't I? I take off, hang on. I unlock the units. And I'm putting the locks down there. So I'm unlocking it. But I ain't never going to be locking it again.
You've taken to put that one back on
put
there.
That one back on, haven't I? That one comes off. That one goes there. The observant of you will notice there's nothing in here anymore. That's it. All done. Look, that's the last thing to come out of here. North Somerset garden machinery. My father painted, that's dirty now, my father painted that for me when we were doing flower shows, weren't we? Selling
The first
artwares.
year.
The first year of flower shows.
Yeah, Dad
Yeah.
painted it for us.
That's right, so we'll take that out in a minute. But don't worry, next door, because the lease runs out on here midnight tonight, doesn't it? But next door, we've still got another month. In here to get this finished and get it out. But there's no electricity, and all this stuff's got to be disposed of. So it's a sad day today. Sad day. We've agreed to leave the bars on the windows, and what else? So the new tenant's taking the locks off of us, so we're going to make an extra 60 quid out of it. Hopefully we'll get our deposit back. So a few bits and pieces, and then it's all over. Well, it's not all over. Humbrings isn't over. In fact, I'll probably have more time to do humbrings, because unfortunately I haven't got any other job to go to, so I am on the scrap heap. The Humber won't be, but I will be. But that's the news so far.